Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this high updo hairstyle on short hair. To start, I'm going to divide the hair from ear to ear and we're going to clip that top half out of the way for later. Now I'm going to grab some texture powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below and I'm just going to apply it to the roots of that bottom section. Now, taking thin slices of hair, pulling them directly out from the head, I'm just going to back comb just the root area for an inch or two, just to give it a little bit of grip. So I work my way round from the middle to the left side and then I'll repeat it on the right side, making sure that I keep my back combing facing towards the middle of the head. Now we're just going to smooth the hair over from behind the left ear to just past the centre of the neck, and then I'm just going to secure it going upwards with a line of bobby pins. Try to crisscross these to keep them secure, and then place the last bobby pin going from the top down to lock everything together. Now I'm going to take the rest of the hair and we're going to sweep it towards those bobby pins, smoothing it out as we go. And then we're just going to gently start pulling it upwards while twisting it towards the head to create a small twist. And then just position it so it lays over that row of bobby pins and then secure it with as many pins as necessary. Then release the top hair down and I'm just going to split this in half. So clip that top one out of the way for later and I'm just going to use my straighteners to put a rough curl in the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect, but try and alternate the direction in which you curl the hair. So once you've got that bottom section all curled, we're going to let down the top section and just curl that in the same way. Okay, once you've got everything curled, I'm going to add some texture spray all over those curls. Again, I'll list this in the description below for you. Now I'm just going to leave out a few sections around the face and clip these out of the way for later and do this on both sides. And what I've done again is clipped up half the thickness of the hair on top of the head. And with that bottom section, I'm going to split it in half and I'm going to smooth it back to just above that twist, slightly to the left-hand side and secure it into an elastic band. On the last turn, don't pull the tail ends all the way through, just pull them part way through to create a small twist. And then repeat the same steps on that right-hand side. Let down that top section and again we're going to split it in half and create 2 more loops. So smooth everything back and start securing it into a ponytail with a clear elastic band, but then only pull the tail ends part way through to create a loop. And then just repeat it on the right hand side. So you should be left with 4 little loops. Now starting on that top right hand loop, I'm just going to pinch and pull sections next to each other in opposite directions to give it some messy volume. Then I'm going to hold it on top of the head and secure with as many bobby pins as necessary. The messier you can get this, the better it looks. So once you've got everything pinned down on the right hand side, we're going to repeat the same steps on the left hand side. So grab sections of that loop that are next to each other and pinch and pull them in opposite directions. Place it on top of the head as close to that first loop as possible and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really just is as simple as that. So we're just going to do the same with the 2 loops underneath. So pinch and pull the hair in opposite directions and then secure with a few bobby pins. Make sure that you try and get these pin sections as close to each other as possible, and then just repeat it on that last little loop. Then just spend a minute or two pinching and pulling so it's all nice and balanced and secure with some Stronghold hairspray. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.